Good morning, Fatima. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I'm doing great. What are we going to learn today?
Today, we'll talk about why learning the English language is so important. Tell me, do you think English is useful in your daily life?
Yes, sir. I think it is. But I'd love to know more about why it's so important.
Great question. First, English is a global language. It's spoken in over 50 countries as an official language and understood almost everywhere. Imagine traveling to another country. How would you communicate without knowing their language?
That's true, sir. But what about people who don't travel? Why should they learn English?
Excellent point, Fatima. Even if you don't travel, English is the language of technology, science, and business. Think about the apps you use, the books you read, or even the movies you watch. Most of these are in English. Learning it helps you access knowledge from all over the world.
Oh, like YouTube videos or online tutorials, right?
Exactly. You've got it. English is also the language of the internet. Over 60% of the content online is in English. So, learning it opens up endless opportunities for learning and entertainment.
But sir, learning English seems hard. What if someone doesn't feel confident?
Don't worry, Fatima. Learning any language takes time, but it's worth it. Start small, focus on speaking simple sentences. Practice daily. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
You're right, sir. I think I need to practice more.
Let's quickly summarize the benefits. English helps you connect with people worldwide. It boosts your career opportunities. It makes traveling easier. It helps you access the best educational resources. And finally, it increases your confidence.
Wow, sir. I never realized English was so powerful.
Yes, Fatima. Learning English is like unlocking a new world. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. I'm sure you'll master it in no time.
Thank you, sir. I feel motivated to work harder on my English skills now.
That's the spirit, Fatima. Let's wrap up today's session. For homework, try writing a short story in English. Don't worry about mistakes, just write what comes to your mind.
I'll do my best, sir. Thank you for the lesson.